The internet and the technology help business to transfer from the traditional one to the digital business. When we said optimization in the supply chain, I think the supply chain, because the customer will receive, when he purchase a product or a service, he can track his deliver, and he knows the information about all the information. Here the main benefits in e-business. With the e-business, we're creating a new value in production and delivery. We will reduce the operation and the transaction costs in production, delivery, sales, marketing, and service.
Okay, and next, expansion of new sales channels.
Yes, this is Mahal Khayal. The expansion of new sales channel. Digital business has increased across the internet and the rise of mobile technology, which helps businesses have chances to reach more customers from all over the world. So new sales channels, this provides us with new sales channels, the expansion. By having these new channels available, it'll be easier to offer product information, technical support, and order information over the internet. The pursuit of highly valuable activities. Since the digital businesses are rapidly growing, firms are employing an e-business approach. This is to cope with the new market opportunities instantly, actively, quickly, and accurately. Also to gain new business opportunities via the creation of new value-added services and the development of new products, utilizing the internet as a new sales channel.
So the internet is a new sales channel, and inside the internet, so now like we don't have one sales channel. We have Amazon, eBay, we have Alibaba. So there are a lot of Facebooks like channels. So many channels we have it, as we discussed as the previously the other speaker suggests that we have like social community, like the kind of channels we have a search Google channel and the eBay channels, which is called electronic market channels over there. Improvement of customer service and loyalty.
So the website is becoming an important tool these days, as it will improve and promote cooperations and their brand image. Customers today expect serious business owners to have an online presence. A well-designed, informative, and updated website will add credibility to the businesses and strengthen their brand. Having a website will also give businesses a chance to introduce people to know them and their products and services. And not only it gives businesses an online identity, but also a platform for them to be known and why the brand exists. So it serves their mission and vision as well.
Yeah, so can you give some examples, like give it so that the things become more clearer?
Yeah, so let's see here.
Under this title, give us some examples that how the customer service and loyalty has been improved over there.
Yeah, so if, for example, we have Jareer bookstore. Previously, it was only a physical store, but now since the internet and online services are growing, they have created their own website, and by that, the people will be able to purchase and know more information about the products on the website. So most customers here realize that e-businesses enables them to purchase the products and services they need whenever and from wherever they wish. Therefore, customers are now demanding websites from organizations. So this will also help organizations keep customers satisfied. Enterprises are being able to satisfy such customers, and that will help them achieve success in the global market, as well as increase their ongoing competitiveness. Effective
process management, yeah. How process management becomes effective with the digital technology.
Yeah, so first, the organizations are becoming an e-business. And e-business competitiveness may be difficult to sustain. Okay, so businesses, they will raise, it's difficult to sustain the competitiveness in e-businesses due to the inclusion of the industrial economy. This is the main focus for previously.
Yeah, so in the industry, part of the industrial economy is the second part of the evolution, like from agriculture, industrial, and then digital economy. So three, so the current existing processes are being also updated over there.
Therefore, organizations should invest in searching for the perfect process of applying this e-business model to make sure they keep their customers satisfied. And Now, the next part is organizations need to be innovatively transform their business processes. This will make sure that they keep competitive advantage and create differentiation, as well as keep customers satisfied.
Okay, effective process management. So how cost reduction is the most important thing, and rapid response from whom? From the customer. Okay,
Yes.
this is the most important thing. And the last thing is continuous improvement of response time. So if you respond to your customer in 48 hours, next time you want to decrease the time response time 24 hours, and maybe 12 hours or 6 hours, or maybe hourly response. So you have to, there need to be a continuous response time, and this can be achieved by the digital technology, the CRM, the improved CRM. Cost is also reduced because of the social media and all this thing, and rapid response is generated by the different organizations we have it.